Let's deploy an ECS service using Facets. We'll start by creating a project and selecting the ECS AWS project type. By choosing ECS AWS, essential infrastructure like the ECS cluster and VPC are pre-added to your blueprint, giving you a head start with zero extra setup. Now we'll add the ECS service, the core of our deployment. Just add and connect. Next, we add an Ingress resource to route traffic into the service. This makes your app accessible externally. Let's bring in a Postgres RDS database for persistence, ready out of the box for service integration, and an S3 bucket, perfect for storing assets like media or logs, all with just a few clicks. Resource configuration is simple. Update port settings and link your service ARN using intuitive UI forms. Now we configure the ECS service itself, set the port, size, environment variables like DB and S3 credentials, and even IAM policies. No YAML, no guesswork, just clean forms. Next, attach your container image, just paste in the URL and you're done. Then head over to the Resource Center to enable all the resources for your environment in one go. Launching the environment is just as easy. Choose your cloud provider, account, and region. Configure the VPC networking. Again, all through simple drop-downs and form. Review the resource setup. Everything's ready. Hit launch. Terraform handles the provisioning. Track progress live using the Terraform logs. Once deployed, your application is live. Here's the Pet Clinic app, fully operational, with S3 integrated for storing and managing lists seamlessly.